Hello, in front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen until you find the settings icon. So let's swipe left, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the language option. And here we have the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down. Now find the language you like to use. Select it by tapping on it. For example, Spanish. And then press the side button to go back, like this. And now the language should be changed. So as you can see, when we open the menu, it's in Spanish. Let's open the settings again. Open the language, and I'm gonna change it back to English like that, and press the side button. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.